In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate Sheet tab in Google Sheets. Duplicating a Sheet tab is a simple way to make a clean copy of your data, formulas, and formatting without touching the original. It's perfect for creating monthly templates, preserving a snapshot before making big edits, or testing formulas safely. First, head to Google in your web browser. Make sure you're signed into your Google account so you can reach your files. At the top right of the page, click the grid icon, the Google Apps launcher made of 9 small dots. This opens a panel with Google services. From that panel, click Sheets. If you don't see it immediately, scroll within the panel or choose More to reveal additional apps. Google Sheets will open and show your recent spreadsheets and anything you've stored in Drive. Open the spreadsheet you want to work with. You can click it from the Recent section or use the search bar at the top to find it by name. When the file loads, look along the bottom edge of the window. Those labeled tabs represent each worksheet inside your spreadsheet. Find the tab you want to duplicate and right-click directly on that tab label. On a trackpad, a 2-finger click does the same thing. On a touchscreen, a long press opens the menu. Make sure you're right-clicking the tab itself, not a cell in the grid, so you get the correct set of options. In the menu that appears, click Duplicate. Google Sheets instantly creates a full copy of that tab. You'll see a new tab appear next to the original, usually named Copy of followed by the original tab's title. Everything on the sheet comes across: data, formatting, formulas, charts, filters, and column widths. The original tab remains unchanged, and any formulas in the duplicate that reference other tabs or ranges keep pointing to the same sources. So your calculations continue to work as expected. That's all there is to it. By navigating to Google, opening Sheets, selecting your file, right-clicking the tab, and choosing Duplicate, you can spin up reliable copies in seconds and keep your workflow organized. If you prefer to keep copies grouped, remember that the new tab appears right next to the original, making it easy to spot and use immediately. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building faster, safer spreadsheets with quick tab duplicates.